together, you and me. English is fun and easy to see. We can listen, we can try, say the words as they go by. No need to worry, no need to hide. Let your English come outside. You say a word, then I do too. Talking in English feels brand new. Slow or fast, it's all okay. Every try helps us say. Let's ask questions, let's reply. Use our voices, give it a try. Look at me and I'll look at you. Talking together is fun to do. We can talk both loud and clear. English words we love to hear. Speak with courage, speak with cheer. Your English voice is welcome here. Talking helps our English grow. Little by little we start to know. When we talk and when we play, we learn more words every way. Let's talk together.